Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Nissan Versa windshield wiper. First, make sure your wiper arms are in the service position, which usually involves turning off your car and then pushing the wiper stalk up. This prevents the arms from snapping back and potentially damaging your windshield. Grab a flathead screwdriver and a small wrench. It's also a good idea to place a towel or some cardboard on your windshield for protection. Now let's get those old wiper blades off. Gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its upright position. Look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll usually find a small tab or clip. Press this tab firmly and then slide the wiper blade straight down or up, depending on the design, to detach it from the arm. Repeat this for both sides. With the blades removed, it's time to tackle the wiper arms themselves. At the base of each arm, you'll see a small plastic cap. Carefully pry this cap off using your flathead screwdriver to expose the retaining nut underneath. Use your wrench to loosen and remove this nut completely. Once the nut is off, gently rock the wiper arm back and forth while pulling upwards to free it from the spline post. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. Align the new wiper arm with the splines on the post, ensuring it's in the correct resting position. Hand tighten the nut, then use your wrench to secure it firmly but don't over-tighten. Snap the plastic cap back into place. Slide your new wiper blades onto the arms until they click. Once everything is back in place, test your wipers to ensure they function correctly. And hey, while you're checking things out, don't forget to look in the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.